Welcome to Cyberspace. Unknown technologies in China. China is a rapidly developing country that is investing heavily in research and development, and there are likely many emerging technologies that are not widely known or understood outside of China. However, I can provide some examples of emerging technologies that are currently being developed in China. Quantum computing. China is investing heavily in the development of quantum computing technology and has made significant breakthroughs in the field, such as the successful launch of a quantum communication satellite in 2016. Artificial intelligence. China is also investing heavily in artificial intelligence (AI) research, and has become a leader in areas such as machine learning and natural language processing. Biotechnology. China is investing heavily in the biotechnology industry, with a focus on areas such as gene editing and personalized medicine. Clean energy. China is investing heavily in renewable energy technologies such as wind and solar power, and has become a leader in the production of electric vehicles. 5G technology. China has been aggressively promoting the development and deployment of 5G technology, and has already begun rolling out 5G networks across the country. These are just a few examples of emerging technologies that are currently being developed in China. It's worth noting that there are likely many other technologies being developed that are not widely known or understood outside of China, and the country's rapidly evolving tech landscape is worth keeping an eye on. Thanks for watching. Subscribe Cyberspace.